Hello, the listener. This is M. Solomon Enterprise. Continue to watch our videos to understand the operations of different circuits in test preparation. We will continue from where we took off with the relay panel. In this lesson, you will learn how to number your auxiliary contacts to trace your contacts easily in the relay component. So I'll show you the relay component and explain what is in the relay component. So this is our relay component. So from the relay component you can see the numbers. So we have A1, which is number 2, and we have A2, which is number 10, which means A1 and A2 is our coil. So which means in this component there is a coil inside of it. Right now with the relay component, I'll draw it on the board so that you can understand it better. So I'll draw everything that is in the relay component. I'll draw it on the board so that you can see it better and understand better. From here, I drew the relay component, and as you can see, we have different numbers. So from the top points, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 6 points, they have numbers from the bottom and numbers from the top. So in trade test, they prefer to use the bottom numbers, but from the top points, not the bottom points. From the top points, they prefer to use only the bottom numbers. Because of, let me make an example with this first point. From this first point, we have 9 and we have 34. So this point must be represented by one number. So they prefer to use the bottom numbers, but not the top numbers. So I'll erase this ones and leave only the bottom numbers. So from the bottom points, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they prefer to use the top numbers and remove these 3 middle numbers because of A1 and A2, it represents the coil, which is A1 is number 2 and A2 is number 10. So we cannot erase in A1 and A2 because it represents the coil. So I'll erase the ones that I told you that I'll erase. So from there, those are the numbers you should be focusing on in the relay component. So the next step, I'll show you what needs to be connected in the relay component. So you will have your relay component and you will have your relay with you. At the back, it will have the pins like this. So this relay will be connected to the relay component like this. So yep, right now it's connected. The relay is connected to the relay component. But I didn't use the right component here. I used the delay on timer component because of I don't have the right component with me, which is the relay. But at the back is the same. It's the same as the relay. The relay, yes. So if you can check this timer, on top of it, there's a sketch here. So what I'll do is that I'll draw the right sketch for the right component that needs to be inserted here. So I'll draw the sketch of the relay that needs to be inserted in the relay component. Alright, from there you have your sketch for the right component that need to be inserted in the relay component. So each sketch is like this. So I'll explain what is happening in this sketch. The top three numbers, which is 1, 6, and 11, are our commons. Those are our common numbers. Common numbers. And our bottom numbers, those are our auxiliary contacts. So 1 and 4 is a closed contact. As you can see here, there is a line which means it is closed with number 4. So 1 and 4 is closed contact. 1 and 3 is open contact because the contact broke here. As you can see, there's no line here. So from number 6, close contact is 6 and 7 because there's a line here, and then 6 and 5 is open contact because it broke here. So from the common of number 11, close contact is 11 and 8, and then open contact is 11 and 9 because it broke here. So that's how you should understand this sketch of the relay. So right now, there are some changes that I've made. I'll show you which ones are those. So before I made the changes, there was this sketch of the relay, and there was a relay component without the wires. And I've also added the auxiliary contacts, which are these ones from the sketch of relay panel that we just learned about. So from the auxiliary contacts, when you are given the contacts like this, you will firstly come to the sketch of the relay, which is on the top of the component of the relay. You will come and look at the sketch and firstly check your commons. Remember, your commons is number 1, 6, and 11. These three top numbers. So I'll write it down. Commons. So you firstly look your commons, and your commons, you'll find them in the bottom points. 1, 6, and 11. You only check them in the bottom points. So what do you check in your common points? You check which commons are connected with the wire. So the commons that are connected with the wires is 1 and 11, which means right now you'll only be focusing on number 1 and number 11 because its common points are connected with the wires. So now you are done with your commons, and then you come to the top points, which is your auxiliary contacts. But before you can check which number to use, you'll come to your auxiliary contacts. So you'll check the wire from the bottom. It went up and went to the closed contact. So from 1 and 11 that we are focusing on, you'll check which numbers are in the closed contact. So from 1 is 1 and 4, which is number 4. Number 4 is our close contact. And then from 11 is 11 and 8, which is our close contact. So our close contact, we have 4 and 11. And we will check from the top which numbers between the two is connected with the wire, 8 or 11. So 8 or 4, I'm sorry. 4 is not connected, which means it's out. So let's check if 8 is connected. So 8 is here and 8 is connected, which means we will use 8. Which means from there we will use this sketch of 11. So when you name your auxiliary, when you number your auxiliary contacts, because we chose this sketch, so from always the top points will be your commons, which means it's number 11. And then from the closed position is number 8. And the open position is number 9. So this is how I numbered my auxiliary contact. So for you guys to understand better, I will do the next auxiliary contact to show if you understand better. Okay, so right now we are done numbering our first auxiliary contact. Right now we will do auxiliary contact number 2, the middle one. So always first thing, check your commons. So your commons from the relay sketch is 1, 6, and 11. After you check your commons, go to the relay component and check if these common numbers are connected with the wires. So from the commons which you check from the bottom points is 1, 6, and 11. But if you can check, 1 is connected from here, and then 6 is not connected, I won't circle it, and 11 is connected, I'll circle it, which means from what we got from our commons, we will be focusing on number 1 and number 11 only, which means we won't be focusing on number 6. But don't cram that it will always be 1 in 11. They can change it and connect the common of number 6. It will depend how they give you the statement. So since when we are focusing on 1 in 11, you'll go back to your auxiliary contact and check the wire from the bottom. Where is it connected? So the wire from the bottom, it is connected to the open contact. So from 1 and 11, you'll check your open contacts. Your open contacts is 1 and 3, N is 11 and 9. Remember, we are only focusing on 1 and 11. So since when we have open contacts 3 and 9, we will go to our relay component and check if 3 or 9 is connected. So if you can check here, 3 is connected, is here, which means I'll take it, and let's check if 9 is connected. 9 is not connected, which means I won't use it. Which means from these two sketches, 1 in 11, I'll use the one with the one with the first common, which has the open contact of number 3. So why do I use this auxiliary contact? I use this auxiliary contact because from the common it is connected, and also the open contact number 3, it is common, it is connected. I'm sorry. So from this sketch, the way you'll number it, this is open contact from the dotted lines, and then the open contact is number 3, which means I'll put 3 here. Always remember that the top point is your common. So my common is this top point, is top number, which is number 1. And the close contact, which is the right hand side, which is number 4. So that's how you number your auxiliary contact. So I'll do the last sketch of auxiliary contact and show you how to find your points. So right now I'll be doing the last auxiliary contact. So from the last auxiliary contact, the first thing that you have to do is to check your common from your sketch in the relay. So your commons, we have 1, 6, and 11. Since when we know our commons, we will go to the relay component and check if 1, 6, and 11 are connected with the wires. So always remember that your commons, you'll find them in the bottom points. So we'll check 1, 6, and 11, which is these three middle points, 1, 6, and 11. So we'll check which ones are connected. From 1 is connected, 6 not connected. So 1 connected, 6 not connected, so I won't circle it. 11 is connected. And always remember, don't cram with this gauge that they can connect 1 in 11. They can change it and connect 6 and not connect one of the two numbers. So I'll continue. Now we got our commons. Since when we got our commons, we will go back to your auxiliary contact and check the wire from the bottom where is connected. So the wire from the bottom is connected in the closed contact. So from common 1 and common 11, we will check which numbers are our closed contacts. So from number 1, we have a close contact this side, which is 4, and from 11 we have close contact, which is 11. So since when we have our close contacts, we'll go to the relay component and check the top points, which is our contacts, and check if 4 or 8 is connected. So we'll check number 4 is here, is not connected, which means it's out, and number 8 is here and is connected, which means it's right. So which means we will use this gauge and number it here. So from the common, which is the top point, we have 11, and then from the closed contact we have 8, and then from the open contact we have 9. So right now you understand how to number your auxiliary contacts to trace your contacts easily in the relay component. Stay with us, stay tuned with M. Solomani Enterprise. We will be doing more videos and more videos for you guys to be covered for trade test preparation. Thank you very much for watching. And we have a channel in YouTube and TikTok, and the channel name is @mainmade1983. Subscribe and watch those videos to understand better with industrial and domestic electricity. So thank you guys for watching. Keep supporting to get more videos. Thank you very much.